What's going on YouTube? Jelani from JellyTheMarketer.com here, back again with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you my favorite tool to track my links. It's really important that if you're in marketing, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're a blogger, etc., that you have a tracker so that you can see how many people are clicking on a specific link for a specific area of your site, for example. But before we get into that, I want to make sure that you subscribe to the channel, hit that alert button so you know when I post a new video. It is the holiday season, so I'm not sure when I'm going to be posting. My schedule's a little different, but you definitely want to hit the alert button so you know when I post a new video. So let's get right into it. So on your screen right now, you can see the service called Magick, and this is what I use to track all my links. So the UI, to be honest with you, is a little old and doesn't look as modern as other websites and platforms, but this is a really powerful tool that works really well. The reason why I like it is because you're able to link a domain from whatever domain you buy. For example, you can link it here. So I have different tracking links here, and this is my main one, trackall.co. And what I'm able to do is add a path. So for example, if I wanted to change this to DS secrets, for example, I can do that. And what it's going to do is this link is going to essentially be this link down here, the primary URL. And as someone types in this URL, it's going to redirect them essentially back to this URL. So why this is important? This is important because when you are in affiliate marketing, or if you are promoting other people's products, maybe on Amazon, for example, you are given a link that looks really long and looks kind of weird to most people who are not in marketing, who don't really understand affiliate marketing. It looks really long and just kind of like you want to stay away from it. So if you have a link tracker like Magick, what you're able to do is reduce that fear of clicking on the link, right? Because if you have a link that says trackall/DS secrets, and the article, for example, if you're blogging, is on .com secrets, then essentially they're going to feel more comfortable clicking that link because something is familiar, the DS secrets, right? So your conversions go up through the click-through rate because people feel more comfortable clicking the link. So on my YouTube channel, you'll see links like that throughout my YouTube channel. I just have different links, especially if I'm promoting different products. I put those in a in here in Magick. So what you're able to do is see how many people are clicking. So for example, this EcomLad link is a software that I've been promoting on my YouTube channel, and you can see here the TC stands for total clicks. So 106 people clicked it, unique clicks 101, and then fake clicks are 25. So essentially the fake clicks are bots or spiders. So when I post my channel or my video on YouTube, what happens is YouTube crawls the article, the description, and in that crawling process, they're also seeing the links that are involved in that description and going to that site essentially. So it's not a real person, it's a bot. So Magick will tell us that as well. So this is really good for our knowledge to know that we have 25 fake clicks, but 101 unique clicks, meaning people are they're clicking on this link. So that's great stuff here, okay? At the top here, like I said, this is total clicks, unique clicks, fake clicks. A stands for, I believe, actions taken. And then this is the action conversion rate. So what you're able to do with Magick is put links in a funnel, essentially. So for example, this funnel link here has an opt-in page, right? This is the opt-in page, and after they go to the opt-in page, they're leaded to another page. So what I'm able to do is put both of those links in a funnel, essentially, in Magick, so I can see how many people are opting in, but also how many people are going to the next step of that funnel. So this is really powerful to see like what my conversion rate here is. So 22% it seems, and this is basically an estimation. But it's good to kind of get more data on how many people are clicking from that link, how many people are actually doing what you're saying to do, and it just gives us a little bit more of our information. So this was actually ran through a email campaign through solo ads, so that's why you see this says CPC 34 cents. It was actually a solo ad run, so I was getting clicks for 34 cents, and the cost per action was $1.17. So essentially, you're just able to track different information, and this is important when you are getting a little more analytical with your data. It gives you a great breakdown of how things are looking in terms of your links. I run a YouTube channel, so I always want to see how many people are clicking on the link that I tell them to click on when I'm promoting different affiliate offers. So this is why I love Magick. It's really simple to set up, and for the people that want to sign up, all you have to do is click the link down below, and if you sign up with my link, I will give you a like 15 to 30 minute session of how to set this up for your business. I will walk through with you setting this up, because I know this can be a little daunting. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely click the link down below so you can get a copy. I have the yearly plan. So I pay, I think, around $300, maybe $400 a year to use this service, and it's great. It might be a little less, I'm not too sure, I can't remember. But it's, it's not a monthly fee, and I love that, so I don't have to pay monthly, I just pay yearly. So if there's something you want to get into, definitely click the link down below. Let me know that you actually bought it through my link. You can reach out to me on Facebook. I have a link down below so you can reach out on Messenger. And then let me know you bought it. I can check, and then we can take it from there. I'll have you schedule a call with me, and I'll help you set up these links, because it's really important that you understand the metrics of what you're promoting and what you're putting out there into the digital space. So that's all I have for you today. It's just a quick overview of what I use, and because it's the holiday season, I'm not too sure what my upload schedule will be. So definitely subscribe and hit the alert button so you know when I post a new video. And if you have any comments or suggestions, leave those down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.